Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. I'm Pravalika Janga. Welcome to PJ Chemistry. In acids, bases and salts unit, the topics I have divided into three parts. We have completed all the three parts in previous videos. If you haven't watched in my previous videos, I gave the link below in the description. Please check it out. Now we will discuss points to ponder. Points to ponder are nothing but we will summarize all these 6 topics, and also we will discuss question and answers of acids, bases and salts unit. Without any further delay, let's start. Topic number 1, Introduction. Acids and bases are the compounds that have great importance in both chemistry and biochemistry. Either it may be a school or college lab. In chemistry and biochemistry, the most important chemical ingredient we add for our experiments are acids and bases. Not only in school and college lab, acids and bases are used in industries for various reactions. Acids and bases are very common in our daily life process. Examples like bases such as toothpaste and soap, detergent, acids such as curd, lemon juice, orange juice, etc. Topic number 2, acids. What are acids? Substances that contain sour taste are called as acids. Chemical nature of acids are acidic in nature. Acids are of two types. Number 1, natural acids. Number 2, mineral acids. Natural acids, as the name itself indicates, they are found in nature. Examples like curd, lemon, vinegar, grapes. Mineral acids are obtained from mineral source found on earth. Examples of mineral acids such as hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Mineral acids are commonly used in labs. Topic number 3, bases. What are bases? Substances which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching are known as bases. Chemical nature of bases are basic in nature. Bases are of two types, alkalis and non-alkalis. What are alkalis? Bases which are soluble in water are known as alkalis. Example, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. What are non-alkalis? Bases which are not soluble in water are known as non-alkalis. Examples, hydroxides, carbonates and bicarbonates. Topic number 4, salts. When an acid reacts with a base, they neutralize each other chemical properties, and finally salt and water are formed. Acid react with base, we get the product salt and water. Example like hydrochloric acid, which is an acid, it react with sodium hydroxide, which is a base. Together combine each other, we get the product NaCl and water. Salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Topic number 5, natural indicators around us. Solution of substances that show different color in acidic, basic and neutral solutions are called indicators. Natural indicators are found in nature. Number 1, litmus. Number 2, turmeric. Number 3, China rose petals. Litmus, it is available in two forms of litmus paper. One is blue litmus paper and the other is red litmus paper. Acids turns blue litmus paper to red. Bases turns red litmus paper to blue. Number 2, turmeric indicator. When we dissolve turmeric powder in water, it remains yellow color. It is neutral in nature. To the turmeric solution, if we add lemon juice, which is an acid, there will be no change in color. To the turmeric solution, if we add detergent solution, which is a base, its color changes from yellow to reddish brown. Number 3 is China rose indicator. If we add China rose petals to the warm water, within few hours its color changes to red color. This red color solution is used as an indicator for the detection of an acid or base. If we add this red color solution to the acidic solution, its color changes to dark pink color. If this red color solution is added to the basic solution, its color changes to green color. Second type of indicators are synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators are man-made indicators. Number 1 is phenolphthalein indicator. If we add phenolphthalein indicator to the acidic solution, it remains colorless. If we add phenolphthalein indicator to the alkaline solution, its color changes to pink color. Methyl orange indicator will be orange in color. Methyl orange indicator, when added to alkaline solution, its color changes to yellow color. When added to acidic solution, its color changes to red color. Topic number 6, neutralization. When an acid react with a base, they neutralize each other chemical properties and we get the product salt and water. During neutralization process, heat is evolved. Neutralization in everyday life. Number one, indigestion. First, suppose if we eat too much of spicy food, sometimes stomach releases too much of acid, which leads to indigestion. So to neutralize that acid, we take basic substances. Example, milk of magnesia, which is a medicine which helps in digestion of our food. Number two is ant bite. Ant contains formic acid. It can inject into our skin while biting. So to neutralize it, we use a base substances like baking soda. Number 3 is soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic. To neutralize, we add basic substances such as calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide. Number 4 is factory waste. The waste of many factories contains acids. So, factory waste has to be neutralized by adding basic substances. So, we have completed the summary of acids, bases and salts unit. In my next video, we will discuss about question and answers.